Hi there friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today we're gonna make this pair of earrings. We are also gonna be using 20 or 22 gauge wire. So this is a wire wrapping project again, so I apologize if I get off camera. So I'm gonna try my best to stay in camera, okay? So we are going to grab this part first and we are going to pass our wire. Okay, so we're gonna fold it up completely. This is what you wanna have. You're gonna push it in. And you can do this with your pliers if you want to. So you can just bend it. We want to have this shape. Okay. So this is what you want to have. We are going to grab our pliers, and it can be your round nose plier or it doesn't matter. We're just gonna put it in it and we're gonna bend our wire. When you are filming, it tends to be a little more hard, but it's not necessarily. So we're gonna mark it and we are going to bring the wire around, rotate, and continue. And this is what you want to have. Right here, we are going to straighten this wire and we are going to cut it. Right here, like that. And now we are going to wrap around. Okay, so we're gonna straighten this up. Hold it. And we want to wrap around. Very careful. And one more. Oops, I don't know if I'm out of camera, sorry. We are going to cut the excess wire and we are going to tuck the end in, and you can try to make it straighter. For now, let's continue. So we got the first one. We are going to grab one of these flowers and we are going to bend our wire. We've been doing a lot of wire wrapping, so this shouldn't be new for you. We can put this in. And we are going to hold it and we are going to wrap around. We are going to put the tip of our pliers and we are going to bend, put our pliers on top and wrap, rotate and continue until we touch the pliers, and check the size of your loop. Hold it and we are going to wrap around. This is what you should have. the wire. And there we have our first earring. So we are going to open an earring hook, and we are going to put our earring. We are going to close. There you have it, a really quick project and beautiful pair of earrings. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you.